Okay, okay, everyone. Your quiz will be of 10 marks, which is going to be marked. Okay, I will upload your
टीचर
marks
ये
in the
हमारी लास्ट
university
क्लास
later.
है।
No,
टीचर
how,
हमें कौन से सब्जेक्ट
how can this be
कौन सा
last class
सब्जेक्ट
when all of your worksheets are remaining? What is
टीचर
this?
विच सब्जेक्ट टीचर मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि
So now, first of all, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and we are going
वालेकुम
to
अस्सलाम।
yes, and we are going to have a little conclusion of what you have studied so far, so that you can prepare for the quiz. Okay, I will ask you, tell you some few things about it, and then I will ask you a few questions as well. So first of all, can anyone tell me if I ask you what is a continent, how you can explain me
लार्ज मार्स।
exactly?
Teachers, continent
हाँ।
is a large piece of land which covers lake, river, mountains, plants.
Exactly. Ali Ahmed, you are amazing. Okay. So if I ask you what is a continent, what you are going to reply me is that a continent is a large piece of land. Is that clear?
यस
Yes.
Okay.
यस
So if I ask you if a continent has, you know, just reply me yes or no. Do you think a continent has only water in it?
व्हाट
No.
Do you think a continent has only water in it?
No, Miss Land and water too. Both.
No. Why? Because it has both land and water. Okay.
Water.
Okay. Which things belongs to a continent? How do we know if something belongs to a continent?
People, are you? मैं बताओ कैसे उनके सबसे सबसे पहले अगर
Wait. Okay, just let Fahad answer this time. Okay, Fahad. How do we know if something belongs to a continent? Yes, Fahad, I'm listening.
मैं तुमके माइक में एक मसला है
Yes, Fahad, we cannot hear you sadly. So I will ask Wafa instead. Okay, Wafa. How do we know if something belongs to a continent? How do we know if Mount Everest belongs to Asia? How do we know that?
टीचर योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर।
Beta, how do we know if something belongs to a continent? Okay, like how do we know that Mount Everest belongs to Asia? How can we say that Mount Everest belongs to Asia? How?
It's because Mount
Okay,
Everest
Omar.
is in between of Pakistan and
Okay.
China and India.
Okay, so
नहीं sorry
okay, there
और
is
अगर Mount Everest
there is a very simple answer for that. Why? Because everything that belongs to land on the continent automatically belongs to that continent. I have already told you that अगर हमारे पास एक continent का land है, सही है, उसके ऊपर जितनी भी चीजें होंगी वो सब के सब किसको belong करती है? उस continent को. Is that clear?
continent.
I have already
Yes.
told you that. Okay. So then we talked about some animals of Asia. What kind of animals belongs to Asia? Yes, Tarik.
पैंडा कोबरा
Penguins.
No, penguins don't belong to Asia. Who said penguin?
अली
Penguin belongs to Antarctica.
Exactly. Penguins belongs to Antarctica because they need a very cold place to live. Okay, so this was the conclusion up till now. In the last class, we talked about Africa. Okay, so how many countries are found in Africa? Who's going to tell me?
48
How many countries are found?
48
Okay.
48.
I don't think you are going to let me talk today, and I think you are all going to conduct your own class. Okay. So please just talk one at a time so that I can hear all of you. Okay. Okay. So how many countries are found in Africa? There are 54 countries. How many countries?
54 countries.
Okay. Which is the largest country in Africa? Who's going to tell me? The largest country in Africa.
Algeria. Algeria.
Exactly.
Miss, can you Miss, excuse me?
Yes.
मिस आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही मुझे.
Beta,
Miss,
why?
excuse me.
Yes.
मिस, कल नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था और लाइट भी नहीं थी,
Yes,
तो
I
मैंने
know.
कल अटेंड नहीं करा.
Aurelia, I know, and that is why I'm giving you a recap of my yesterday's lecture. Okay, just listen
Thank
carefully to it.
टीचर
Okay, so the
टीचर कल मैं
largest
भी नहीं
country.
आई थी इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम की वजह
Yes, I know, Wafa. I know. I remember everyone's name now. Okay, I know who takes class and who doesn't take class, and I don't think I even need attendance now. Okay,
मेरा नाम कैसा बताएगा.
I have a very good memory, so I think you should all be punctual from now on. Okay,
मिस
so
मेरा नाम तो बताए. मेरा नाम तो बताए.
yes, Umar, I know your name. Okay, I can even recognize your voices now. Okay, sadly I cannot see you face to face, or that would have been more better, but I think this works too. Okay, so the largest country that is found in Africa is Nigeria. Okay, and what is the largest city that is found in Africa? Lagos. Okay, Lagos is the largest city that is found in Africa. Okay, how many? Okay, what is the population of people living in Africa?
1 billion. 1.1 billion. 1.1 billion. 1.1 billion.
1.1
billion. 1.1. Point. Hello.
Okay, do you want me to stop for 5 minutes? Yes, I know, I can hear it too, beta.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so just listen to me very carefully. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes because of Azan. Okay, but you can see over here the things that I have told you right now, that there are 54 countries in Africa. Don't unmute yourself, please. Okay, now, how many, what is the population of people living in Africa? There is 1.1 billion people living in Africa, which is a total 15% population of the total world. Okay, I already told you the total population of Asia, that is 3 billion. Okay, so 1.1 billion. Then we talked about this, that the largest country that is found in Africa is Algeria. Okay, it is also included in the top 10 largest countries of the world. Okay, and the fourth point we studied was this, the largest city found in Africa, which was known as Lagos. Okay, I'm going to wait ताकि आप लोग एग्जाम खत्म हो जाए, and then we will continue with our class. Okay, I'm going to wait 2 minutes.
हो गई अजान.
हो गई?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to go further with our lecture. Okay, I hope you all are prepared for the quiz. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the fifth point that we are going to study right now is known as Madagascar. What is known as it? Madagascar. Okay. Madagascar is an island, okay, which is the fourth largest island in the world, and it is found in Africa. Where it is found?
Africa.
Okay. Can you see in the picture? It is a very beautiful island. All around from the world, tourists go over there. They visit this island. They usually go there in
This
their
is a
vacations.
cartoon movie.
Okay. In the first island, it is how. Okay. In the first picture, you can see how the island looks like. But in the second picture, you can see that it is in the middle of the ocean. It is in the middle of the ocean.
Middle of the ocean.
All the islands are like this. They are found in the middle of the ocean. That is why they are known as island. An island is a land which is found in between the water. Okay, what is an island?
आप फिर से
between and
It
water.
is found in between the water.
इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा
Yes, an island is a place and land which is found between the water. Every place, every surroundings is covered with water. So Madagascar is the fourth largest island. Okay, which is the largest island? I already told you about that when we were studying Asia. That is Greenland. Which is the largest island?
Greenland.
Greenland, and it is found in Asia. Okay, so I think we talked about the largest country in Africa, but can anyone tell me what is the largest country in Asia? No?
Russia.
Russia. Exactly. Russia is the largest country found in Asia. Okay.
Asia.
I thought that,
And it goes into Europe also.
yes. How are you guys so educated? You know, it's like I don't even have to tell you anything. Okay.
हम लोग का नेट खराब चलता है
Yes.
बरमूदा ट्रायंगल
You guys.
बरमूदा ट्रायंगल
Okay. So I gave you a homework to write 5 animals that are found in Africa. One by one, you're going to tell me. Only the person I asked supposed to tell me. Okay. Just raise your hands and do it one by one. No shouting at the same time. Okay. Let's start with Shamir. Come on, Shamir.
Yes, teacher.
Shamir, have you done your homework?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tell me only 3 animals that are found in Africa.
Cat, buffalo, leopard, and
Shamir, can you
rhinos.
speak loudly?
Okay, teacher. Teacher, cat, buffaloes, rhinos, and leopards.
Okay, amazing. Okay, Umar.
Miss, European viper and your Asian wolf. कौन सी चीजें हटा मतलब ये एक वुल्फ है जो यूरोप और एशिया के दोनों के बीच में दोनों में
Okay, Umar, I think you have searched far more than what I told you, and that is amazing. Okay, Fahad. Fahad, we cannot hear you. No, still no. Your voice is not coming. Wait, I'll check your mic. No, Fahad, we cannot hear you. Try something. Okay, Zainab.
Giraffe, African elephant, zebra, hyena, hippopotamus.
Okay, Zainab. Amazing. Okay, Ali Ahmed.
Teacher, African elephant, black beast, white rhino, and hippopotamus.
Oh, amazing. Okay, Ansha.
मैं शादी को hippopotamus बहुत पसंद है.
Let me ask everyone. Ansha, we cannot hear you.
Miss Laiba, I think आ गया.
Slab up mute है.
नहीं slab
Slab up mute है.
mute.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. I had to be disconnected because मेरी light चली गई बीच में
Sir,
से.
can I?
Yes. Go ahead, Wafa.
ये बहुत गंदा मैं एक बार मेरे साथ जैसे यूज मैं अब जैसे एक क्लास होने वाली थी लगभग
Teacher, can I?
Yes, Wafa, I'm listening.
Leopard, black panther, blue cow, African elephant, and black bear.
Okay. Amazing. Okay, Aisha. Yes, Aisha.
टीचर सर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई.
Yes,
टीचर आयशा हैंग हो गई.
okay, I can.
प्रॉब्लम.
Can I say? Okay, Ayan, do you want to tell us?
टीचर आयशा के पास नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
Yes, I can feel the same thing. Okay, so this was what we I gave you as a homework. Okay, I think the people who were not present, okay, know this as well. Aisha, I'm muted everyone. Okay, Aisha.
नहीं टीचर अब आयशा आ गई
Teacher, elephant, cape buffalo, lion, black and white rhino, and African grey parrot.
Okay. So I think all of you did your homework. So what is your next homework?
I have sent it.
Okay. Now listen. Your next homework. Your next homework is that you have to tell me 3 kinds of food that people eat in Africa. Okay. What is your homework?
3 types of
Three types of food that people eat in Africa.
Okay, that is your homework. So I think this was it for today's class. Okay, I'm cutting it short because of my electricity. So just help me with your attendance. Okay, I know you all, but I don't want anyone to be missed. Okay, so I'm going through it very fast. Just tell me. Okay. Okay, Shamil. Shamil.
Okay.
Okay, we have Omar. We have
Present.
Aisha. Okay, we have Alishba. We have Anshra,
Present.
Fahad, Ali Ahmed,
Present.
Parva. Okay, and कौन रह गया? Okay, Aurelia.
Present.
Wafa.
Present.
We have Zaina.
Miss me.
We have Ayan. Yes, Alishba, I've already taken your attendance. Okay, we have Hamad. Hamad, your name is going to be Sumaira from now on.
Okay.
Okay, who is Ahmed Afzal?
Miss, he is new student.
Okay, Ahmed Afzal. Okay, did I miss anyone? Okay, Huzaifa.
No.
Okay, I think I've taken all of your names. Okay, so this was it for today's class. Okay, I hope all of you enjoyed it, and let's meet tomorrow if we can, or we will meet
Why?
on Friday. Okay, be ready for your quiz, study for your quiz, and all the best luck. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Miss, कब है quiz?
On
Friday को